Hi, and welcome to C Programming for Arduino, a step-by-step guide. Libraries make programming the Arduino much easier since they contain the code needed to control certain modules, sensors, etc. If you want to achieve a specific task in your program, there are two ways to do it. One is to write the code by yourself. Second is to use the already written code for that specific task. For example, you could skip using libraries and code all the needed command to move a stepper motor, for example. But depending on the hardware used to control the stepper, you might have to write a lot of code to make the stepper motor move. So it is better to use a library for stepper motor instead of reinventing the wheel. Arduino libraries consist of at least two files: a header file with the extension .h and a source file with the extension .cpp. The header file contains definitions for the library, which is a listing of everything that's inside, including commands, functions, and needed variables. The source file contains the code used to make the library work. Following are some core libraries used in Arduino. In this video, we will look at three ways of installing a library. First way is to download a zip file of library from the creator's website or GitHub. Once you have downloaded the zip file, locate it and right-click to unzip and extract the contents. Now that the zip file is extracted, open the folder. Once you have located the right folder, you can go ahead and right-click and select copy from the drop-down menu. Then, to install the library, you navigate to the library folder located inside your Arduino IDE install location. By default, it should be located at this address. Go ahead and right-click again, this time choosing Paste to copy the library inside the folder. It's a good practice to have your Arduino IDE software closed while installing a library this way. If you have it open, then you want to close and restart it so the newly installed library gets picked up by the software and is ready for the use. To confirm that library is there, you can go to the Sketch, Include Library option and look for it under the contributed libraries. Second way is to use the Arduino IDE install.zip option to install the downloaded library for you. To do this, all you have to do is go to the top menu of the Arduino IDE and choose Sketch option, Include Library option, and then finally click on Add.zip library. Then navigate to the .zip library you just downloaded and select it. The Arduino IDE will then do the rest of the installation and you will get a confirmation message when it's completed. Using this method, you don't have to manually extract and find the right folder. The Arduino IDE will do that for you. Third way to install a library is available only if you are using a version of Arduino IDE 1.56 or higher. Basically, all you have to do is to go into the top menu of the Arduino IDE and choose Sketch option, click on Include Library option, and finally click on Manage Libraries. Then search for the library by name. If found, all you have to do is select the version of the library you want to install and click Install option. After a few moments, the library is downloaded and is ready to be used right away. This option should be able to find most libraries but will not find less popular ones. In that case, using the first or second option will be the way to go. Once you have installed a library, it will be available to use in any sketch you create. To be able to use library, you must include it at the beginning of your sketch by using the #include statement. All you have to do is type #include and name of the library at the start of your code. The name of the library refers to the actual file name of the downloaded library header file. Instead of typing it manually, you can also navigate to Sketch option, Include Library option, and choose the one you want to use in the drop-down menu. The Arduino IDE will then insert the #include statement with the name of the library you selected automatically. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.